What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Cardano ADA. We're sitting at 24 cents, down 0.84 on the day. We are sitting on market cap of 8.64 B. 24-hour volume is 91.67 million. So let's take a look at ADA. So far, there is the potential of a leading diagonal, but it's becoming much more risky because we're nearing the wave 2 low. And if that breaks, it invalidates. So if that were to play out, we would have to look at an alternative low for this wave C. So if it does invalidate, it is what it is. We create a new low, potentially break below this wick. So do watch that invalidation at 0.239. If it breaks, then this leading diagonal is no longer valid and we do come deeper in a wave C. Now, if we look at the daily time frame, I do think there's a decent chance of that because as you can see, we broke out of this falling wedge. We failed to hold the EMAs. So if we're going to come down and retest the wedge, we can come all the way down to about 22 cents. For Cardano and retest that wedge and fill that wick, break that low. So that's definitely a possibility. We are reaching oversold on the money flow. RSI still has a little bit of room to come down. If we can get a bounce from here and we don't break those lows, then we can create an inverse head and shoulders. If we bounce from this point, then you have a left shoulder head and a right shoulder. But we have to bounce really, really soon because if we fail to do that, we break those lows, then do expect us to come and retest that wedge. We could take you all the way down to about 22 cents. So the key area to watch is 0.239, basically 24 cents. The wave 2 low, if it invalidates, do expect us to come down to that 22 cent range and basically retest this falling wedge pattern. And if we get a bounce from here, then a strong signal will be coming up and breaking that local high at about 26 cents. That would be a strong bullish signal. It's not looking great in my opinion due to the deepness of this wave 4, but it is possible a bullish scenario. But as I mentioned, if we start to break that level, then do watch for a retest of the wedge. That would take us down to about 22 cents. That's it for ADA, and basically you'd start to fill this longer wick down here. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange to trade spot, to trade futures. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000, $200 to trade with completely for free. For my subscribers only, sign up the link down below. My signals are $10 a month. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. We're currently in trades for Bitcoin, Solana. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, as well as Forex signals. We're currently in 3 Forex trades. So not only can you trade crypto, but as well as Forex, all for $10 a month. I highly recommend it. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.